You know what? Let's get over it. It's whatever. No shame. Okay. What up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Another natural hair video, that is. So, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair. I've got my leave-in conditioner, Blue Magic, water, and my wide tooth comb. So, I'm kind of embarrassed, y'all. I don't think you guys want to see what's underneath this brunette. You know what? Let's get over it. It's whatever. No shame. Okay. Yeah, it's bad. Like, what is this? Oh. Child. I've got some baking soda on my hair, but whatever. Gosh. My hair has been in this for almost a week. A week, y'all. That is bad. Never. You know what? If you guys right now, your hair isn't moisturized and you forgot, this is a sign. Go moisturize your hair right now. Right now, okay? When taking out my braids, twists, whatever I have in, I like to use water or oil to take them down. To avoid any possible knots, I used the comb first, and then when I was confident enough that my hair wasn't going to get tangled up, I started to use my fingers to unbraid my hair. Whether you have thin hair like mine or super thick hair where their hair is natural or permed, I think it is wise to always work in sections when you're doing your hair because it makes it so much easier. The first step to moisturizing my hair, I always spray it with some water. And then I would use the Blue Magic to grease my scalp. Okay, let me give y'all a little story. It was just about last year, that's when I was like more conscious of how to treat my hair, like actually taking care of my natural hair, because I've had natural hair. My hair has been natural from 6th, 7th grade, right? And I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, and mostly everybody who had natural hair was like, no, hair grease isn't good for you, yada 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 yada. So I stopped using it. However, my hair wasn't as soft as it used to be whenever I would use hair grease. So that is something I've definitely learned. Just because it isn't good for, you know, this person or that person, I mean, it's not good for me. So Blue Magic, that one specifically, the one with the coconut, that is my go-to whenever I'm moisturizing my hair. And then, because I'm extremely heavy-handed, what I would do is I would smear the leave-in conditioner on my hand, and then I'll pass it through my hair from my roots all the way down to the very tip of my hair. The leave-in conditioner I like to use is either the Kenny-shuh leave-in conditioning repair cream or the Kenny-shuh leave-in conditioning cream. Apparently another abominable product in the natural hair community, but it works for me. When every inch of that section that I was working on has been moisturized, then I would start combing out my hair. But I like to start at the tip and work my way up to the roots, because then I feel as though when I do that, what happens is it'll be easy to comb through. See? That's exactly what I'm meaning. See? Then, depending on my mood, I would then twist my hair or I would braid them. I usually go for my twist because at the end of the day, it's easier to take out. favorite step, which is the last step to moisturizing my hair, is applying some Jamaican black castor oil to my scalp. And then I would put some more castor oil on my palm, rub my hands together, and then pass my hand on my hair. I'm a simple girl, y'all, therefore I cannot imagine adding another step to my hair regimen. I can't. Just water, my Blue Magic, and my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Ippy, that's it. This is so refreshing. This will be me for the next 3 to 4 weeks, because that's every time I wash my hair. However, I do try to moisturize my hair 3 to 4 times a week. It don't usually happen. The least I'll moisturize my hair is every 2 weeks. But y'all, I feel so good. So refreshing. And oops, this is all the hair loss. That's it. Not a lot. So if you guys learned anything from this video, you know what, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any comments, especially on Blue Magic, because I know a lot of people stopped using it, you know what, let me know in the comments what your thought is on Blue Magic. Even Cantu, because a lot of people have negative thoughts. Just remember, just because something works for me doesn't mean that it won't work for you. And just because it worked for you doesn't mean that it will work for me. You know what? You have to find what works for you. Thank you guys. Bye.